Hello my viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Cant Technologies UG. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Connectify software to share your computer's internet. Voucher internet is what I'm talking about. Remember, when you have a voucher, it's only restricted to sharing only on one device. That device which is only connected, that particular device. Now, so when we have this software, it's called Connectify. You will be able to share to other devices such as mobile phones, tablets, laptops, smart TVs, and so on freely. Now, the advantage of this Connectify software is that it has a built-in ad blocking, in that it's going to block ads from showing up. Now, I'm going to move you through the steps on how to install it, and we'll get started on how to connect it. So you're going to go to Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome. Now in Google Chrome, you're going to search Connectify. As you see, this is my Google Chrome. I'm going to search Connectify. Now here it's their website. In their website, I'm going to click for us to be able to download the installer. This is the website. They're telling you that turn your PC into a Wi-Fi hotspot and share internet with all your devices. So basically that's what it does. It turns your PC into a Wi-Fi hotspot. Remember, you've also got a hotspot from you have also got a voucher, and you're sharing that voucher onto other devices. Basically, this is their website. They are explaining to you what it does. Basically, you can see. So let's go on to the download page. So here you're going to come here on download. When you click on download, the download page will come. You'll be directed to this interface of downloading. So this is the link to download. When you click on download, the download will start, as you can see. Once the download is done, you can just let me go over it. Remember, this is an installer. We have just downloaded the installer, and I'm going to be able to use this installer to install the real software. But remember, before we install, we have to first turn off our antivirus from our Windows. So you're going to come here on your Windows, you turn on your antivirus. So you come here over virus and threat protection, you click on it. You're going to come here on manage settings, turn off real-time protection, just temporarily, so that we can be able to install. Turn off all these ones. Even app and browser control, reputation-based settings, we turn them off. Just we turn them off temporarily, just for us to be able to install. Then after, we shall turn them back on. Now once that is done, we go back to our installer. Then we shall run our installer. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Then the installation page will start. Here you accept the terms of the agreement. Accept the terms of the agreement. You agree. Then the installation will start. You should be patient for some few minutes, just about 1 or 2 minutes, as they're telling you, for it to install. Once the installation is successful, we shall just run it and we shall get going. So here our installation is complete. Do you want to reboot the PC? Remember, after installing it will ask you to reboot your computer. So you'll either reboot now or I want to manually reboot later. You choose any. Then you finish. So it's complete. The installation is complete. And it's here, as you see, it's now here on my desktop. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it. Now remember we had already downloaded and installed our Connectify, which is already here on our desktop. So after installing, you have to reboot your PC. After rebooting, you have to open now this software. Once you open, this is the interface of the thing. Internet to share, this is the internet you're sharing. Remember, you can see here I have my Wi-Fi. It's the one which is connected, it's here. The network access is routed. This is the name and this is the password. Now you should make sure that there are 3 modes here. There is Wi-Fi hotspot, wired router, then the Wi-Fi repeater. They're all here. Now here, make sure that your device it's in Wi-Fi hotspot. Make sure your device is in this Wi-Fi hotspot mode before connecting. So when it's in Wi-Fi hotspot mode, you can decide to change this hotspot name. But remember, I told you it has a premium version and a free version. And you can see over here that the changing the name is only for the pro version, the premium version. Now the password, you can decide to edit your own password. You can decide to change your own password. You can decide to change your own password. After changing your password, you're all set. There is this part of clients. You will be able to see everyone who is connected on your device. Connected to my hotspot 0, previously connected 0. Then QR code. If someone wants to connect on your hotspot, he or she can scan this QR code. So once all that is done, you click here on start hotspot. When you click on start hotspot, you have to wait for a few seconds for it to run and start. So it is still starting. Just wait 1 or 2 minutes, in fact few seconds, for it to start. Once it is active, you will be able to connect your device. So it's now connected. Hotspot started. It has started connecting and there are no clients who are connected. So okay, I've connected my device, and here you can see that the clients, I'm the only one who is connected. You can see I've connected my device and see connected to my hotspot 1. It can even show you the speed. So the speed depends on your source, on your internet source. If previously on your PC your internet speed was slow, even here it will be slow. If it was fast, here also it will be fast. So this is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video tutorials.